No. Give me those zip ties back. No. No. Kitty, behind you.
Hey.
Vale, no, not the sledge, the toy.
That's good looking. Okay, check this out. Whoa. Wow, food fell out of it, huh?
Yeah, but that's food you could eat. You were way too into that sledgehammer.
She loves it.
Maybe we'll get you a sledgehammer for your birthday.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then it goes in here. Not that end, though. You can bite that end.
The sledgehammer is the equivalent of when you get a kid a toy and they play with the box.
Yeah, see this? And it goes in here.
Valley's like, oh, good job showing off. I'm gonna keep licking this sledgehammer.
I guess you can bite that end, probably.
Yeah, you can.
Don't bite the handle end.
Just take a step forward.
I like it better this way.
Valley.
It goes in here. See? Wow.
Yeah.
Just dangling right there. You don't even have to mess with a human.
Yeah, Valley, you helping out? Do some construction? You were really helpful with those zip ties earlier. My sledgehammer needs to be licked, I guess, probably.
Lupe's working on it now. Oh my gosh. Hey, Lupe, do you want to say food above your head?
Lupe, you could probably get that food. Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, where's the purchase from the wrong side?
These two friends are gonna solve this puzzle together.
Oh, Lupe, it's okay, baby.
Kitty, can you, well, hold this, and I'm gonna get that sledgehammer while Valencia's distracted. Well, Vale. That is a silly way to be.
Great stuff. Nope.
No, I was going for the sledgehammer. Just yoink. It's so slobbery.
They both licked it now.